Hi everyone, and welcome back to the virtual classroom where we look, listen and learn together. Been thinking about the 7 seasons of the Kulin Nation, and we've looked at the wombat and the fern, and those features are part of a special season in the 7 seasons of the Kulin Nation, and they're the worrying season. It's a time when there's mist and it's a bit cold, it's cloudy and damp. It's the winter season going into spring. And there's a special bird that is actually on one of the coins in Australia. And this bird is called the lyrebird. Have you heard of the lyrebird before? There are only 2 types of the lyrebird. There's the lyrebird and the superb lyrebird. I thought we could draw this lyrebird today. We could learn a bit more about the lyrebird. It's a very, very beautiful bird because it has a very long tail, feathery tail. I have a book here, my drawing book, and I have a blank page in it. You can see, nothing in there. I also have a collection of pencils. All these beautiful pencils here. I don't know if you have some coloured pencils at home as well, or maybe you'd like to use a texter or some paint. I'm going to practice drawing a bird today. Let's see, what shapes is a bird made up of? And we're practicing together. A lyrebird has sort of an oval shaped body. Can you see that oval shaped body? And a round head connected 2 shapes together to make the lyrebird. Now, a beak, because the lyrebird likes to forage, likes to scratch around. Do you know what its diet is? Likes to eat insects and seeds and frogs, maybe some worms, some spiders. It's got quite a diverse type of diet there. There's its eye. And it's interesting because the male is the lyrebird that has the really beautiful long tail that we're going to draw. The brown and silver and grey, white, feathery tail. So I'm going to, firstly I'll draw the legs that scratch around in the dirt. Scratch, scratch, scratch. Scratch, scratch, scratch. And then I'm going to draw this beautiful tail. And lyrebirds don't really fly. They're an interesting bird. They fly only if they're in danger. So this tail is going to come up. It's going to curl around. And I'm drawing these beautiful shapes so that you can see what the lyrebird tail looks like. You can add a lot of detail. It doesn't have to be exactly the same as the lyrebird you might see. It has some stripes going down its tail. And the lyrebird actually lives in Victoria, in Australia, way down the bottom of the southern part of Australia. And it likes to live in the forest. It's a forest animal. Might add another feather that goes up here. And some of these feathers are sort of got long lines on them like this, showing how they're sort of quite fluffy there, aren't they? And you know what, the male lyrebird has the tail, and they have that tail to attract the female. And they only mate at a certain time of the year, between June and October. And the female only lays 1 egg. My goodness, only 1 egg. And that egg takes 50 days to hatch. And when it hatches, stays in the nest for about 6 weeks, and then off it goes into the world. Maybe another little curly shape. Practicing my spirals again here. Can you see? Maybe I'll add some patterns to this lyrebird. You can imagine some shapes that you might add to yours. And draw some patterns on your lyrebird. You can have a bit of fun with this too. There we go. Maybe some dots to show that it's feathery, got a feathery head. There. And the lyrebird likes to sing. It makes mimicking sounds, but it can also sing for up to 20 minutes. It's a long time for a bird to sing, isn't it? I've got a special silver pen here. So I'm going to add some silver to my lyrebird, just to make it a bit metallic. Beautiful lyrebird shining in the moonlight. And unfortunately, the lyrebirds were threatened. Well, they still are, but they nearly went extinct. Do you know what extinct means? It means that they were nearly all gone. Do you know why? Their land had been cleared and they used to get hunted for their beautiful feathers. People used to want their feathers, maybe for a hat or for a vase in their house. It's not very nice, is it? Colour in the beak. I might add a gold feather here. There we go. Beautiful lyrebird. Maybe you'd like to practice some of the shapes of the lyrebird. You can see there. I might write the word lyrebird up the top. It's got an interesting spelling. There we go. Lyrebird. The beautiful, superb, or just the plain lyrebird. Maybe you can give it a go. Maybe you can pretend to mimic like the lyrebird, or scratch around for some seeds or spiders. I hope you enjoy creating some patterns on a lyrebird and learning more about the different seasons and what different animals do during those seasons. I'll see you next time. Bye.